Master, I feel like I've let myself down. I know what's right, but I don't do it. I should wake up early, but I keep hitting snooze. I should eat healthy, but I give in to cravings. I should stay calm, but anger often speaks before I do. I feel like a stranger to myself. Master looked at me gently and asked, "Are you blaming yourself or calling yourself home?" Discipline isn't about forcing yourself to be better than others. It's about returning to who you really are. It's not a punishment. It's how you lead yourself back from the dark. Master once told me a story about a former student named Davis. He was smart, full of potential, but lived in a loop of procrastination and self-sabotage. He always said, "I'll start tomorrow," but that tomorrow never came. One day, his mother was hospitalized due to exhaustion. Tin realized it wasn't just himself he was pulling down. His lack of discipline was hurting those he loved. That night, he sat alone in the hospital hallway. No phone, no distractions, only the steady beep of the heart monitor. And he cried. Not from fear of losing his mother, but because for the first time, he saw clearly he couldn't keep living this way. The next morning, he didn't tell anyone. No big declarations, no social media post, just one quiet promise. He set his alarm a little earlier, not to prove something, not out of motivation, but because he didn't want to wake up someday and regret wasting his life. From that day, he wrote in his journal at 5 a.m. He said no to meaningless invitations. He walked alone each evening to listen to his own heart. He paused when angry and spoke kindly even when no one asked him to. A year passed. No one noticed the change. No applause, no rewards. But David knew he had saved himself from the version of him that could have ruined everything. Master turned to me and said, "Discipline doesn't make you exceptional. It simply stops you from being a victim of your own weakness." That's when I woke up. Discipline isn't a punishment. It's how you keep your future safe from your past self. Let that be the quiet revolution you begin today. One choice, one promise, one mindful step at a time. If this story spoke to you, leave a reflection below. I'd truly love to hear what's stirring in your heart. Your share might be the light someone else needs while struggling quietly with themselves. And if you'd like to walk this path together, hit that subscribe button so we don't lose each other on the journey back to self-mastery. Comment, share, and let me know, what habit are you choosing to begin again today?